Hello friends, welcome back to Special Intelligence. Today's topic is on acids and bases. Here the definition of acid and base. Acid, any substance which when dissolved into the water produces hydrogen ions, that is nothing but H plus ions, and base, any substance which when dissolved into the water produces hydroxide ions like OH minus. Here the down is water dissociation and that down equilibrium constant and value for Kw. Here are the few examples for acids and bases. For acids like citrus fruits, tea, battery acid, vinegar, milk, soda, apples. For bases, common household bases include baking soda, ammonia, soap, lye and antacids, etc. are the examples for the bases. And now we'll go to the properties. Properties of acids and bases. Properties of acids. Electrolytes, sour taste, turn litmus red, react with metals to form H2 gas. Examples like vinegar, milk, soda, apple, citrus fruits, etc. And bases properties. Electrolytes, bitter taste, turn litmus blue, slippery feel, ammonia, lye, antacid, baking soda are the examples of bases. Now we will go to the neutralization definition. Acid and base react with each other to form salt and water is known as neutralization. Here down is the example for neutralization. And now examples for neutralization: shampoo and conditioner, toothpaste neutralizes acids produced by bacteria, wasp sting and vinegar to relieve pain, acidic soil neutralized by adding calcium hydroxide. Now here we'll go to the pH scale topic. The pH scale is from 0 to 14. The pH is an indication of concentration of H plus ions and acidic pH scale is 0 to 6, neutral is 7, alkaline is nothing but base is from 8 to 14. Importance of pH. pH in the body. Substance in the body have different pH values. Acidic conditions in the stomach is 1.5 and alkaline conditions in the small intestine is 8.4 are needed for good digestion. Slightly acidic condition in the blood is 6.5 that goes to the heart. And pH and food preservation. Many fresh food quickly go bad mainly due to microorganisms such as bacteria present in the food. Acids can be used to preserve foods. Microorganisms do not grow well in solutions of low pH. Now we'll go to the topic of family of salts. If we see in the table, here salts and salts formula and salts family is given and acid and base is given. And now in this table, name of the salt is given, pH value is given and nature of the salt is also given. We already know the nature of the salt, how to identify by the pH scale. Now we'll go to the next. Now we will know about the bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is calcium oxochloride. The chemical formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. It is also called chloride of lime. Now we'll see the uses of bleaching powder. Uses of bleaching powder. It is used for bleaching cotton, linen in textile industries, for bleaching washed clothes in laundry. It is used as oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. It is used for disinfecting drinking water to make water free from microorganisms. It is also used for manufacture of chloroform. It makes wool unshrinkable. Now we'll go to the another topic. Washing soda. Chemical name is sodium carbonate. Chemical formula Na2CO3. Reaction is given down. And now we'll go to the uses of washing soda. Uses of washing soda. In glass, paper and soap industries will use in the manufacture of borax as cleaning agent for removing permanent hardness of water. These are the uses of washing soda. Now we'll go to the plaster of Paris topic. Chemical name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Formula CaSO4.1/2H2O. The preparation is given below and the properties of plaster of Paris is POP has a very remarkable property of setting into a hard mass on wetting with water. So it is stored in a moisture proof container. Now we'll go to the uses of plaster of Paris. Uses of plaster of Paris. It is used for producing molds for industries such as pottery, ceramics. On mixing with water, it changes into plastic mass and solidifies due to rehydration. This is called setting of plaster of Paris. It is used for setting fractured bones in right position in the body. It is also used for making statues, models and other decorative material. It is used as fireproofing material. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to keep the notifications in all button. Thank you friends.